Hey, welcome back to Life for Dem. It's Black History Month, and it's only right we talk about Black history, culture, and food all month long.
That's right, because African American culture is ancestral. Good job, Mama.
It's transcendental,
resilient, and revolutionary.
In order to understand our culture, you must understand our history.
Ooh, that was good.
Good job.
Hey, C, guess what I found out?
What you found out?
We've been singing the Kumbaya song wrong.
Really? It's not Kumbaya, my lord.
No. See, I thought I sent it to your DM, but check this out.
Whoa, that's Gullah. All this time, this was one of our spirituals?
Mm-hmm. That's what you call getting a little taste of your culture without even knowing it.
Today, we're cooking Lowcountry shrimp and grits in honor of the GULLAH GEECHee culture. The GULLAH GEECHee are descendants of enslaved Africans who were enslaved along the coast of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida. The lives of our ancestors in this region is a peculiar part of our African American history. Due to the nature of their work with sea island cotton, indigo, and rice, in a climate known for seasonal diseases, enslavers in this region lived separately on the mainland. Being in isolation empowered them to preserve their diverse cultures. The GULLAH GEECHee were the first to be freed by the Union during the Civil War. Some even entered the war for our freedom. It was in this region the infamous 40 Acres and a Mule Promise was created. When Union officials asked the black leaders what was needed for reparations, Reverend Frazier said, "The best way we can take care of ourselves is to have land and turn it and till it by our own labor." Descendants in this region still own the land our ancestors worked, although now there are legal battles. Geechee culture is a rich heritage worth preserving. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's episode. We'll see you later.